Imagine a future where humans can transform the barren, desolate landscape of Mars into a habitable environment, suitable for sustaining life. This concept, known as terraforming, has long captured the imagination of scientists, science fiction enthusiasts, and futurists alike. However, the idea of altering an entire planet raises a host of ethical dilemmas and questions that cannot be ignored. Welcome back to today's episode. Are you new to this channel? Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest releases. Let's get on with it. Terraforming Mars refers to the theoretical process of modifying the planet's climate, surface, and atmosphere to make it more Earth-like and hospitable to human life. This ambitious endeavor would involve a series of complex and large-scale interventions, such as releasing greenhouse gases to thicken the atmosphere, melting the polar ice caps to release water, and introducing genetically engineered organisms to create a sustainable ecosystem. The potential implications of terraforming Mars are vast and far-reaching. By transforming Mars into a habitable world, we could potentially establish a second home for humanity, ensuring our species' survival in the event of a global catastrophe on Earth. Furthermore, the resources and scientific knowledge gained from terraforming Mars could open up new frontiers for exploration and discovery, leading to unprecedented advancements in technology and space exploration. Now, highlighting the technological advancements that make terraforming a possibility. Recent technological advancements have brought the concept of terraforming Mars closer to reality than ever before. Breakthroughs in fields such as climate engineering, genetic engineering, and space exploration have provided us with the tools and knowledge necessary to begin seriously considering the feasibility of terraforming Mars. For example, advances in climate modeling and simulation allow scientists to predict the potential effects of altering Mars' atmosphere and surface conditions with a high degree of accuracy. Additionally, developments in genetic engineering have enabled researchers to design organisms capable of surviving and thriving in the harsh conditions of Mars, paving the way for the creation of a self-sustaining ecosystem on the planet. Addressing the ethical dilemmas and questions that arise from altering another planet. Despite the exciting possibilities that terraforming Mars presents, it also raises a host of ethical dilemmas and questions that must be carefully considered. One of the primary concerns is the potential impact of our actions on any existing microbial life that may exist on Mars. If life is discovered on the planet, even in its simplest form, should we have the right to alter or potentially destroy it in our quest to make Mars habitable for humans? Furthermore, the idea of terraforming Mars raises questions about our responsibility as stewards of the universe. Are we justified in fundamentally altering the environment of another planet for our own benefit, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems that may have evolved over billions of years? What are the long-term consequences of our actions, both for Mars and for our own planet? As we continue to explore the possibilities of terraforming Mars, it is essential that we engage in thoughtful and informed discussions about the ethical considerations surrounding this endeavor. By weighing the potential benefits against the potential risks and consequences, we can ensure that any decisions we make are guided by a sense of responsibility and respect for the universe and all forms of life within it. To embark on the ambitious journey of terraforming Mars, it is crucial to delve into the scientific aspects and challenges that come with transforming the red planet into a habitable world. Understanding the current conditions on Mars, the proposed methods for terraforming, and the potential benefits and drawbacks is essential in shaping our approach towards this monumental endeavor. Mars, often referred to as Earth's sister planet, shares some similarities with our own world, such as a day length and axial tilt. However, the current conditions on Mars are harsh and inhospitable to human life. With a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, frigid temperatures averaging around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and low atmospheric pressure, Mars lacks the essential elements necessary to support life as we know it. Terraforming Mars is considered a viable solution to make the planet more hospitable for human colonization. By altering Mars' atmosphere, surface conditions, and climate, we could potentially create an environment that mimics Earth's conditions, allowing for the establishment of sustainable habitats and ecosystems on the red planet. One of the key proposed methods for terraforming Mars involves the introduction of greenhouse gases into the planet's atmosphere to thicken it and trap heat, leading to a global warming effect. By releasing gases such as methane or fluorocarbons, we could raise the temperature on Mars and initiate a process of melting the polar ice caps to release water and create liquid oceans and rivers. Additionally, other proposed methods include deploying giant mirrors in space to reflect sunlight onto the Martian surface, creating artificial magnetic fields to shield the planet from solar radiation, and seeding the planet with genetically engineered organisms capable of producing oxygen and transforming the soil into fertile ground for plant growth. The potential benefits of terraforming Mars are vast and compelling. By creating a habitable environment on Mars, we could establish a second home for humanity, expand our reach into the cosmos, and unlock new opportunities for scientific research and exploration. Terraforming Mars could also serve as a stepping stone for future missions to other planets and moons in our solar system and beyond. However, the process of terraforming Mars is not without its challenges and drawbacks. The sheer scale and complexity of terraforming a planet presents significant technological, logistical, and ethical hurdles that must be overcome. Additionally, the long-term consequences of altering an entire planet's ecosystem are largely unknown and could have unforeseen impacts on Mars' geology, climate, and potential for supporting life. As we continue to explore the possibilities of terraforming Mars, it is essential to approach this endeavor with caution, humility, and a deep understanding of the scientific principles and challenges involved. By carefully weighing the potential benefits and drawbacks, we can pave the way for a future where humanity may one day call Mars home. Let's take another look at some ethical considerations navigating the complexities of terraforming Mars. The prospect of terraforming Mars raises a myriad of ethical implications that demand careful consideration from various perspectives. From the impact on potential Martian life forms and ecosystems to the rights of future generations and the ethical boundaries of human intervention in planetary environments, the ethical dilemmas surrounding terraforming Mars are multifaceted and thought-provoking. One of the central ethical considerations of terraforming Mars revolves around the potential existence of microbial life forms or ecosystems on the red planet. If life is discovered on Mars, even in its simplest form, the ethical implications of altering or potentially destroying these organisms in the pursuit of making Mars habitable for humans become paramount. The preservation of Martian life, no matter how primitive, raises profound questions about our responsibility as stewards of the universe and our moral obligations towards other forms of life. Let's consider the rights of future generations and the responsibility to preserve other planets. As we contemplate the transformation of Mars into a habitable world, we must also consider the rights and interests of future generations who may inherit the consequences of our actions. The decisions we make today regarding terraforming Mars will have far-reaching implications for the sustainability and well-being of future human societies and ecosystems. It is essential to approach the terraforming of Mars with a sense of intergenerational equity, ensuring that our actions do not compromise the ability of future generations to thrive and coexist harmoniously with the environment. The ethical boundaries of human intervention in planetary environments are complex and multifaceted, raising fundamental questions about our role as custodians of the cosmos. While the desire to explore and colonize other worlds is a testament to human curiosity and ambition, it also necessitates a critical examination of the potential consequences of our actions. How far are we willing to go in reshaping the natural order of other planets for our own benefit? What ethical principles should guide our decisions when it comes to terraforming Mars and other celestial bodies? The concept of terraforming Mars has captured the imagination of the public and policymakers alike, sparking debates and discussions on the ethical, scientific, and practical implications of transforming the red planet into a habitable world. Understanding the current public opinion on Mars terraforming and its policy implications is crucial in shaping the future of space exploration and colonization. Surveying public attitudes towards terraforming Mars and the level of support or opposition. Public opinion on terraforming Mars is diverse and multifaceted, reflecting a wide range of perspectives and values. While some view the idea of transforming Mars into a second Earth as a bold and visionary endeavor that could expand the horizons of human civilization, others express concerns about the potential ethical, environmental, and societal consequences of altering another planet. Surveys and polls have revealed a mix of support and opposition towards terraforming Mars, with factors such as scientific literacy, cultural beliefs, and personal values influencing individuals' attitudes towards this ambitious undertaking. International agreements and regulations play a crucial role in shaping the governance of space exploration and planetary protection. The Outer Space Treaty, signed in 1967, establishes the principles of peaceful use of outer space and prohibits the placement of nuclear weapons in orbit around Earth or on celestial bodies. Additionally, the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space COPUOS has developed guidelines and recommendations for the exploration and utilization of outer space, including the protection of planetary environments from harmful contamination. Governments and space agencies around the world play a pivotal role in shaping the future of Mars exploration and terraforming efforts. National space programs, such as NASA, ESA, and Roscommon, are actively engaged in missions to study Mars, gather data on its geology and climate, and pave the way for potential human missions to the Red Planet. Collaborative initiatives, such as the International Mars Exploration Working Group IMEWG, bring together scientists, engineers, and policymakers from different countries to coordinate and plan future Mars exploration missions. As governments and space agencies continue to chart the course for Mars exploration, it is essential for policymakers to consider the diverse perspectives of the public, adhere to international agreements on planetary protection, and engage in transparent and inclusive decision-making processes. By fostering dialogue, cooperation, and responsible stewardship of outer space, we can navigate the complexities of terraforming Mars with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to the shared interests of humanity. As we navigate the ethical complexities of terraforming Mars, I encourage viewers to actively engage in discussions, research, and advocacy on space exploration ethics. By staying informed, asking critical questions, and participating in dialogue with experts, policymakers, and fellow enthusiasts, we can contribute to a more ethical and responsible approach to exploring and colonizing other worlds. Whether through supporting initiatives for planetary protection, advocating for ethical guidelines in space exploration, or promoting public awareness of the ethical implications of terraforming Mars, each of us has a role to play in shaping the future of humanity's journey into the cosmos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.